Hello YouTube, Triumph Guy here today, and I'm going to be taking out the transmissional gearbox tunnel on this Triumph Spitfire. Basically, I just need to diagnose the gear selector lever. It's got a hell of a lot of play, and I'm really struggling to get it in first and second. So I'm going to take the gearbox tunnel off and see if I can see the rubber pushing in there. But anyway, let's get to it. So yeah, as you can see, loads and loads and loads of play, and it's really hard to get it into first, second, third and fourth seem all right, and I assume that's because they're all the way over, and reverse seems all right because that's all the way over, whereas first and second, which is fairly central, are very hard. So let's get to it. One of the first things we're going to have to do is remove this chair, which you just pull that forward. So you move that one first, and then you pull up on that handle and the whole thing comes up. Then we're going to remove 2 bolts there. Excuse the mess. Move this, just unscrew it. I had these little caps here, so I'm just going to undo. So you pull on them and then remove them screws. They do have like a nut on the other side. I've managed to just put my finger on it, but you may need to put a socket on it. Next, remove this. On the other side, you've got 2 as well, 13mm. That one's probably going to be a nightmare, but we'll see how we get on. Right then, this is obviously not coming out because of that, so I've undone the screws here. I'm going to see if that might give us a bit of extra room to get this out. Oh, that didn't sound good. So I didn't actually take the seat out in the end, and I did actually get enough clearance on the seat. The issue was the radio. You have to try and push that back. I've snapped that, which is brilliant. And I've just sort of brought it out this way. It should just sort of come out now without breaking too much stuff. Now that's out the way. We just slide this out and over. It should just come off. Just got it. Make sure it's not stuck on anything. It's a bit of a nightmare to get out. Watch the radio if you've got one. Right, now that's off. Should be able to get this off, but I don't actually. Yeah, I'm going to undo this first. So if you were to remove the tunnel, just unbolt the bolts all the way around. I'm only here for this to investigate what this is all about, so I don't know if I'm actually going to remove this just yet. Yeah, so these are 8mm. There you go. I am actually taking it out now, so I want to see. Just under there, I've unplugged the radio best I can, and yeah, it's just crack on. They do go round a bit. Luckily, this one hasn't fitted the awkward one up there, so that's nice. So I was chatting rubbish earlier. Just take them out. Just take them fully out. Then you got to try and pry it off, and just be careful because it's like cardboard if you're going to reuse this one. And yeah, we just bring it up. Might have to maneuver the handbrake, and then we should be good to go.